Hello everyone, I'm your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn how to upcycle plastic. Don't throw your plastic container, use it, waste out of waste. Talcum powder and Hershey's syrup bottle. Let's start. Come on, first you take a container and take out the wrapper on it. You cut the wrapper first. See in the video how I take out the container wrapper and all. First you draw with the black marker. Then after you cut it. Cut with the scissor and cutter. While using cutter, be careful. I am using often, that is why. Then also I'm taking care of myself. Don't throw your plastic container. Use it in a creative way. Please do this activity under guidance of parents and elders. Give little neatness and decorate it. You see, my son loves to eat Hershey's syrup. See, I am upcycling Hershey's syrup bottle. Again, I am cutting it and give little neatness. And I am use it in a creative way in it. In this container, we are growing plant, so we need the hole. Make hole so that extra water from plant drip off. Please do this activity under guidance of parents and elders. See how I am doing it. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Rehana Merchant and second ID is Rehana Art Classes. You follow my ID, you can see more videos and watch.
Turn enough, Jenna.
Throw your plastic container, oil plastic container. See, I am removing wrappers. Use it in a creative way. See, first I am taking this and I am drawing this. I draw first with the pencil. Then after I am using black permanent marker. See how I am drawing it. See, first I draw front handle. And now I'm showing you how to draw side handle. See. Now second container I took oil container. Now I'm drawing on it duck. So how to draw duck? See first. I draw first with the pencil, then after I am using black marker. Hope you guys enjoying it. You like my video, please like, share and subscribe to your friends and those who want to learn upcycles plastic. Reduce plastic pollution. Please upcycle plastic. You use and grow plant in this pot. Make it very creative way. Don't throw your plastic container. Now third container, we are drawing elephant. Hope you guys enjoying. Don't throw plastic. Please reduce plastic pollution. Use plastic like this and reduce the plastic pollution. You can color it also, black color. I am giving outline only. I am doing outline. See, this is the Saffola gold container, empty container. See, now I am showing you how to cut with the scissor and this cutter. Be careful. I have a practice of using cutter. You please take care of yourself and your hand, fingers. Be careful. Now we are cutting this container. We draw duck. See, first you give finishing also. We'll do next. Be careful. I have a practice of using cutter. You please take care of yourself. See, now extra part remove. You can fill sand also. See, this container, it is a front way handle, and one container I did it side way, so both the way you can use. Decorate container whatever you like, whatever pattern you like. I am also doing it slowly. બિલાઉડ અકામોલાની ખ્વાહિશ છે કે આપણે પ્લાસ્ટિકને અપસાયકલ કરીએ. સો this is the one method how to use container and upcycle plastic. Please grow plant in it. You can grow aloe vera, Indian glory, money plant. So many plants are there. You can grow in this big container. See, I grow money plant in small container. In big container you can grow big plants also. See this small container, how I can hang in my window. See how I can hang. See extra more container I made. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and give comments also.